first, let's go off to Mike Bird in Tokyo at the wall with the latest in Japan. Mike.
Kathy, Sony's leading gains in consumer electronics stocks after reporting a narrower first quarter loss than analyst forecasts. The loss was 37.1 billion yen, the expectation an 80 billion yen loss. Now, Nomura raised its rating on the stock to buy from neutral, and Sony shares today up by more than 2.5%. A very different picture at Nintendo, which is down 5.25%. UBS rates that stock a short-term sell, profit dropping 61%. Sales by 40% in the last quarter. Nintendo selling fewer than half as many Wii game consoles last quarter than it did a year earlier. Sumitomo Mitsui Financial returned to profit in the first quarter. Japan's third biggest bank, earning 73 billion yen. That's about $767 million, 25% better than the previous year. Now, Sumitomo Mitsui reported a record loss in the previous quarter. Shares today up by about 1.5%. Shinsei nearly 3% higher. And we also have earnings today from Mitsubishi UFJ and Mizuho after the market closes. Shinsei returned to profit after 3 straight quarterly losses. Interest income jumping 61%. That was helped by the purchase of a consumer finance unit which it bought from General Electric. Incentives for eco-friendly vehicles are helping Toyota sell more hybrids like this Prius. NHK Television says rising demand for the car will help the world's biggest automaker beat its annual operating loss forecast by tens of billions of yen. Toyota's forecast an 850 billion yen operating loss. Now, Prius sales in the US rising 10% last month, helped by the Cash for Clunkers program, which is ending at midnight New York time and has already run through its $1 billion of incentives. Prius is the best-selling car in Japan. Take a look at sales last month, rising 258% from a year earlier. Taking a look at shares of automakers, we've got Toyota currently trading up by 1 and, well, no, that's Sumitomo Mitsui Financial. Toyota shares are trading higher. Mazda, though, falling after reporting its third straight quarterly loss. Mazda exports 85% of the vehicles it makes in Japan, so revenue cut by the yen's rise of about 7% against the dollar from a year earlier. Sales dropping by 45%. Kathy, back to you.
Okay, thanks for that, Mike.